Hello everybody, welcome to the show. It's Mcclendon coming at you guys with a new video about how to find the best stocks to day trade. Now, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, we are on investing.com, and now to find the best stocks to day trade, we need to go to stocks and go to open up most active in the tab, top gainers, and top losers. Alright, let's check it out. So on top gainers for the United States, here's a list of some of the stocks that have been moving. So what I like to do for me personally is find stocks that are already on an uptrend and find the best time to buy during a dip or a pullback. And during that pullback, I will try to take advantage of the uptrend. So I have one example that I just did. If you check my Instagram live, I was telling about people that I'm buying into Visa. Now, I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm just saying what I'm doing, right? So some top gainers, and also if you're looking for something to daily trade, here's some stocks that are relatively most active stocks. You have Apple, Tesla, Amazon. Now, if you have a margin account, you guys take advantage of this even more of the move, but I don't trade stocks with margin so much. I usually don't at all. So for me, taking these gains, like a 5% gain, 3% gain, is good for me because I have a daily trading goal, weekly trading goal, and a monthly trading goal. Once I hit my goal, I just plug that in to see if any trade can hit my trading goal, and if it does, then I look at attacking that. So when we're looking at Visa, so Visa has been moving up, just like almost every stock in the stock market. It's been moving up. So when it's going up, I just take advantage of the move. Once I hit my gain, then I get exit. That's why I'm usually in and out when it comes to day trading. I might hold it for a day or two, then I'm out. So here's a stock that's actually been doing pretty bad. Now, we have Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo has been doing pretty bad in the last couple of days. So if you're looking at a stock to short, look at companies like Wells Fargo, because if you're a margin count, you take advantage of this move down. So let's look at the chart. So look at the chart. It was consolidating at around 54, building up that resistance level, and then it got smashed down to 48. Now you could have shorted that stock or go long if it does a bounce up from the support right here. But taking advantage of stocks that are moving can get you your daily trading goal, your weekly trading goal, whatever your goal is, so you can get in and out. So that is one way, guys, to find stocks that are moving so you guys can day trade. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Please like, share, subscribe to this video. It really helps out the YouTube algorithm, help my channel out grow. Because I really love talking about business and money and trading with you guys. So have a nice day. I'll see you guys on the next video.